Hello and welcome to Gravity Forms Basics. Today I'm going to show you how to create a multi-section application form. As you can see with this finished employment application, we've organized a complex set of requirements like personal details and document uploads into a clean professional flow. By breaking the form into logical sections, we ensure that applicants stay engaged and don't feel overwhelmed. This structure helps you collect high-quality data and all the necessary files in one organized submission. To build this form, we first need a blank form. So go ahead and pause this video to create that now. Once you have your blank form, drag a section field into the canvas and rename it Employment Application. There we go. This gives your form a clear heading. Go ahead and pause the video to apply this. Then we'll move on to step 2. Now, let's build a physical structure. Look under the standard fields and drag the page field into your form twice. This creates 3 distinct pages. Now click the starting page bar at the very top. In the settings, change the progress indicator to steps. In the labels below, name step 1 personal info, step 2 experience, and step 3 documents. This gives the user a clear roadmap. Pause the video here to set up your own page structure. Right, with that done, let's fill out page 1. To keep things organized, drag a section field to the top of page 1 and then label it Contact Information. Then, directly under this section header, we are going to use advanced fields. Drag in the name field, the email field, and then the address field into the canvas. Because the address field already includes fields for street, city, and zip, all your contact data is now neatly grouped in one logical place. Go ahead and pause the video and add these 3 fields to your page 1. Now let's move to page 2. Drag another section field to the top of this page and then label it Professional Background. There we go. Then below that header, drag a paragraph text field from the standard fields. Label it something like Work History Summary. This gives the applicant a dedicated space to describe their experience without distracting from their contact info on the previous page. Pause here to set up page 2. Next is page 3, our document section. Go ahead and drag the file upload field from the advanced fields section onto the canvas. You can label it something simple like upload resume. Now, this is completely optional, but I thought you should know about it anyway. In the field settings, look for the Allowed File Extensions box and type PDF, doc, and docx. This ensures you only receive compatible files. Below that, you can check the box to enable multi-file upload. This allows applicants to provide a cover letter or certifications in addition to their resume. You can pause here to configure your upload settings. Finally, we can add a review step. Drag one more page field to the very end of your form. On this last page, drag an HTML field. In the content box, type a message like, please review your information and uploaded files. Once you are ready, click Submit to complete your application. There. This final check ensures accuracy before the data hits your inbox. Once your form is configured, save it and preview the results. By combining page breaks, section headers, and robust file upload settings, you've turned a complex application into a streamlined professional process. You've now seen how to build a high-quality multi-section form from the ground up. I hope you found this guide helpful, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Be sure to hit like and subscribe for more content about all things Gravity Forms.